Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today, we're gonna unbox on a very special Gemmy item. It's the one I always wanted for a long time. We're gonna unbox the Gemmy Groovin Frosty. So we're gonna unbox it right now. Let's open it, shall we? Alright, let's see. Hold on a second. Alright, let's get out of the box. I have always wanted this Gemmy item for a long time. And yes, it is definitely rare. I don't know if the arms will move. Maybe they will, maybe they'll not. But when I heard it said from the seller, it said that the only thing it does is just sways and that's it. Hopefully I'll fix the arms in the future. Maybe. I don't know. Will the arms move? I don't know. Who knows when I open this sucker up. Hold on, I'm still getting the tape out. You know what, I'm just going to use this pair of scissors to get the tape out. Alright. Okay, now the other part right here. Alright. Ooh! It's wrapped inside. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let's open it, shall we? Oh man! Yeah! 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 Yes! I finally got him! Yes! Now let's test him, shall we? Hopefully the arms move. Will the arms move? I don't know. Let me go get some batteries. Hold on. I don't know if the arms move, but we'll find out. I think the only thing it does, it just sways and that's it. I think it just only sways. Alright, I'm back. Now let's test them, shall we? Let me insert some batteries. I bet the arms are not going to move. Let's test them, shall we? Yeah, the arms move. Well, the arms move a little bit. Huh. I thought the arms moved. Well, it did move at one point.
I'll be back on Christmas Day.
So yeah, guys. That was the end of the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.